Hello dear friend, today I'm gonna show you how to make your pendrive bootable. This is the easy method to make your pendrive bootable. At first you have to open up command prompt and run it as an administrator. When you click on the run as administrator, the command prompt window will show up on your desktop, and first step is to type here diskpart, diskpart. Let's type diskpart and press enter. Then second step is to type list disk, list disk, and press enter. Here showing two disk 0 and disk 1. You have to select disk 1. Let's type select disk 1 and press enter. Disk 1 is now the selected disk, and next part is to type clean. Clean means deleting partition with command prompt, and now you have to make a new partition. So type create partition, partition, partition primary, primary. Press enter. Next step, you have to type select partition 1, select partition 1 and press enter. Partition 1 is now the selected partition, and next step to format your disk. This is not format your entire disk, only the removable disk. So type format fs is equal to FAT32, FAT32, fs is equal to FAT32 space quick and press enter. Now your removable device has been formatted. Now you have to type active, active. Let's type active and press enter. Now your pen drive is ready to install ISO file, and last step type exit, and exit means your pen drive is ready to boot, and now you have done. Okay, thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.